You have known sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, good. Now both add it. Now you have to do it addition and subtraction of these two. Pause the video or try to do it. After that you watch it. See, sin of a plus b. What is the formula for sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Just simple addition and subtractions we will do it now. Just add it. Addition. This is the plus symbol, this is the minus symbol. Both are same quantities, no? So get cancel. So now sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Yes or no? Like that. Same we can do for cos. Same cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Yes or no? And cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Add both. Add both. So now negative quantity, positive quantity, both are same quantities, get cancel. So here see, here one chocolate is there, here one chocolate is there. How many chocolates are there? 2 chocolates. But these are the not a chocolates that are called cos a cos b. Yes or no? Now we added both, so that's why cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. We got it here. Now you observe second one. Subtract it. Now subtraction. Do you know subtractions? Subtractions means you have to change the symbols of that subtracted quantity. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. The second one again I am writing sin of a minus b. I am writing again sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now both you have to subtract it. Subtraction means change the symbols. The subtracted quantities symbols be changed. So now that's why see here it is positive quantity, negative, same quantities get cancelled. Now this is sin of a minus b minus sin of, this is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal to. Now you observe here 1 5 star, here 1 5 star. Both are plus symbols only, no? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 5 stars. But these are not a 5 stars. What are those? Same cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. When we subtracted, then we got it. Like that, here you have to subtract it. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now subtract both. Subtraction means symbols be changed. Oh, this is minus. Okay. Now you observe cos A cos B positive sign, cos A cos B negative sign. Get cancel. Now you will get it cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to, what did you get? 2 sin A sin B. Yes or no? Yes. Correct only or not? No, because symbol here you have the symbol negative. So minus 2 sin A sin B. And one more question I am asking you. Get ready to say me the answer. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B value can you say? చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి చాక్లెట్. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B value. Good. What is the value? 2 sin A sin B. How did we get this? Just both sides you have to multiply with minus. You multiply entire value with minus. So minus cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here RHS side is minus into minus, you will get it plus. So that's why, so these are the points we got it. Now we will discuss these applications. Get ready. Okay. By using these formulae, we will do some problems. Applications of these formulae. Okay. Get ready. Use of these formulae. Now we will discuss use of these formulae. Just I am giving you small problem. You say me the answer. Sin A plus sin 120 degrees plus A minus sin 120 degrees minus A. What is the value of it? Okay. So here two methods are there. It is sin A plus B form. This is sin A minus B form. Just you take it and do it. It will take more time. It is a JEE mains bit. You have to save the time. You don't want to do that all steps for objective tests. Okay, so that's why here just use it immediate formula. What is the immediate formula? It is in the form of sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. What is the A value here? 120 degrees. Yes or no? And what is the B value? A. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B formula, you got it. 2 cos A sin B. What is the A value? 120 degrees. And what is the B value? A. So now I am asking you, what is the cos 120 degrees value? We have done. Cos 120 degrees value is minus 1 by 2. Already we have known cos 120 degrees is equal to minus 1 by 2. And sin A. Now 2 get cancelled, plus into minus minus, sin A. One more step can I write? Sin A minus sin A. Yes or no? So get cancel, you will get it 0. See, that much easy. Now, one more application we will discuss. Okay? See here. One more problem I am giving you. Get ready to do, my dear kids. Cos A plus cos 240 degrees plus A plus cos 240 degrees minus A. Can you solve this problem? Pause the video and do it. After that you check it. Definitely you will get it. Say this is cos A, okay, plus what is the formula of it? It is in the form of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the A value and this is the B value. So your formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B formula. 2 cos A into cos B. What is the A value? A value is 240 degrees And what is the b value? B value is a. So that is equal to cos a plus 2 of cos 240 degrees value. Cos 240 degrees value is minus 1 by 2 into cos a. So now your answer is cos a. 2 get cancelled, minus cos a. Cos a get cancelled, 0. Okay. Got it or not? So these are the applications of these formulae. Good.